the Professional Examination Commission. A man whose impeccable character is like Caesar's wife, beyond reproach. The Honorable Antonio Bartolomeo So Adriano, Commissioner, Philippines Professional Examination Commission. Commissioner Adriano.
Salamat po for my colleague here, Honorable Jesus Nieves, for that long introduction na inig po kayo lahat po. Anyway, maraming salamat po. Please take your seat. My dear colleagues in the Commission, Chairperson, members of the Board, professional teachers, the Honorable Faith M. Bachiller, and Honorable Jesus L. Nieves. Esteemed guests, my dear friends, beautiful ladies and good-looking gentlemen, isang blessed Christmas afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po. On behalf of the entire Professional Regulation Commission, it gives me great pleasure to congratulate the secondary teachers, elementary teachers, and accelerated teacher education program graduates from the Region 4 who passed the Assessure examination for teachers given last September 26, 2010. We take great pride in your accomplishment. You passed the difficult licensure examinations. This